All right, we got the new radio, so now we can go up and change it out and get them back in service with the a better what I got up there temporarily. But let's get up there and get this connected and see if it comes online and everybody connects back. Well, now since I got the radio changed out and everybody's getting a good signal, most of these were yellow or red, basically orange, and they were like 15-20% potential, but now you see a lot of them are actually green now, except the ones that's real far away or some trees in the way. But we got blue and green and maybe one or two orange. So yeah, everybody's getting better connection now. Changed the PoE on it, even though the other one is the same. It was 12 watts. I put the new one in. It came with the radio just in case, you know, that way I can actually match the PoE that was up there with the radio. Just keep them all with the PoEs that came actually with the radio itself. But she's up and running. Everybody's back online. Now it's time to go back to the RV and take the radio that I just took down and program it for the new RV park as a point-to-point. But this one's up and running. Now the zip tie is closed, and we're on our way out of here. All right, it's time to get out of here. Get out of this RV park. Everybody's good to go. Now go back and get me some coffee and program a radio, get things in the vehicle for tomorrow. And take that hour-and-a-half drive, and it's going to be a little work on the tower at that other location, that RV park tomorrow. Got to take the nano switch out because I don't need two APs there anymore. Switch out the PoE for the radio that I have there, and connect up two clients. So it's going to be easy but a long day. All right, we got that tower up and running. Everybody's happy. I went around a few of them and actually checked their service and be sure it's good. And the ones that are there, they said the service has been up and running for the last, for the last week, which explains it was the radio, because that temporary radio actually kept them with good service, just temporary, for about a week. So that shows that it was the radio, and it's been changed out. Everybody's connected back, and now I'm ready to go out of town tomorrow to connect up two clients. And I got the ladder, got two poles ready to go, got all the equipment in the back. They said they're going to be there between 12 and 5, one of them. So we're going to leave here about noon, and it takes only an hour and a half to drive. And the other one is not going to be there, so we're going to set up a different, unique way of giving them internet. Kind of in a way of, I've done a few, but this is going to be with different equipment. It's all going to be ubiquity and set the box itself it goes in. So look for that video very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. I'll see you in the next video.